In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your contact information on Shopify, ensuring that your store communicates effectively with customers and maintains a professional appearance. Whether you're adding new contact details or making necessary edits, it's important to keep this information up to date, as it plays a crucial role in customer support and business communication. So let's dive into the Shopify dashboard. Here, you'll have a range of options at your disposal, allowing you to manage everything from products to payments. But for today, we'll focus on updating your contact info. To begin, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your dashboard where you'll see the gear icon. This is the Settings button and serves as your gateway to various administrative functions that can help fine-tune your store's operations. Once you've clicked on the Settings icon, you'll be presented with a menu on the left side of your screen. From this list, select Policies. This section is crucial because your store's policies, including shipping, returns, and privacy, are housed here. Having clear and accessible policies helps build trust with your customers. Under the policies, you'll find different written guidelines and sections catered to key aspects of your business. Next, you'll want to locate the contact information segment within your policies. Clicking on contact information allows you to enter a specific part of the page where you can input or edit details such as your email address, phone number, or any other method customers might use to reach you. This is vital in creating a smooth line of communication between you and your clientele. Whether you're updating a phone number or ensuring your email points to the correct inbox, accuracy is key so that all inquiries are addressed promptly. Feel free to take a moment here to review the existing details or check for any updates that need to be made. Ensuring that this information is correct not only helps improve customer satisfaction, but also enhances your professional image. Remember, the information you provide here is what potential and current customers will use to get in touch with you, so clarity and correctness are important. Once you're satisfied with the edits or additions you've made, the final step is to find and click on the Publish button. This step is essential as it saves and makes all your recent changes live. Failing to publish these changes will result in your updates not being visible to your clients, so be sure to confirm that you have successfully saved your work. And that's it. You've successfully updated your contact information on Shopify. Regularly checking and updating this information is a great practice, ensuring you maintain a seamless communication channel with your customers. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process. Have a great day and happy selling.